way college is different than high school is probably your time management. You have a lot of time in your day to kind of do whatever you want to do, and you have to learn how to, build in studying or working out. You don't have your parents sitting behind you saying, go do this or don't do that. So you really have like the independence and freedom to decide what to do with your time, and you need to make sure those are constructive things.
The most challenging aspect for college was transitioning here. I am a first generation student, I am a Latino, and transitioning into the academics, into the culture that is the University of Iowa was kind of difficult to kind of find my niche, but slowly but surely, getting through involvement and through many leadership opportunities that the university provided, I kind of started to find my niche amongst the community in Iowa City and in the University of Iowa.
The most challenging aspect of college was coming to the realization that grades don't define me. So all of high school, I made sure to just get the best grades that I could, and I really put a lot of my identity into that. But once I got to college, I was surrounded with a lot of like-minded individuals. So the first time I got a poor grade on a test, that really just kind of shook me up, and it really made me doubt myself. But I did get through it, and as a junior, I'm back to where I would have liked to be as a first year. So just if that happens to you, know that it's completely normal, and just with some hard work and kind of some kindness towards yourself, you can get to where you want to be.
Ask for help if you need it. Don't be afraid to go to your professors or your teaching assistants. That's what they're there for. They're there to help you, and they want you to be successful.
For me, I found support through my academic advisor, and also any professors are really there for you if you need help with your studies and academics. You can always go to your professors and go to office hours, but I found for me, going to my academic advisor has been really helpful. She's pointing me towards resources if I had stressed about classes and that sort of thing. So going to my academic advisor and building that relationship has really helped me.
The University of Iowa has tons of resources that can help any student. For example, I took biological psychology this past semester, and I went to what's called SI, supplemental instruction, every week, every Wednesday, and it was just like a way to reinforce the material, and I really found it really helpful.
My favorite thing about the University of Iowa is that the university and the city kind of pushes you to be a different person. So it makes you think in new ways. You can go to different events that, my small hometown does not have events like the ones we have here, and the people here just push you to be a better person.